Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to add an Instagram logo in Canva. This is a great way to promote your social media and make your designs more recognizable. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to add an Instagram logo, all we have to do is click the Elements tab on the left side of the dashboard. Once we're here, we just need to click the search bar and type Instagram. The results will appear right away. All the Instagram logos and graphics will show up here, so we can browse through all the options. In the results, we'll find Instagram icons, messages, and logos to choose from. And that's how we add an Instagram logo in Canva. With just a few simple clicks, we can make our designs stand out and point our audience to our social media.